I found an abandoned Skyline and decided to restore it. The body was very rusty, but I am changing it part by part and have already painted the car. I ruined everything. I borrowed a special tool from a friend to apply a spray sealant to the seams, and there was a feeling that the tool was broken because it spit out the tube in a second, and I'm very sad. I wanted it to be neat and beautifully done, but we have what we have. I don't like it. I hope this won't be visible after applying the primer and applying the paint. I cleaned up the garage. In a couple of days we will be painting the body. You'll probably see it in this episode. Today I need to get everything ready for painting, sand the roof, and I wanted to sandblast it, these places where the windows going. I installed the car on the racks and ready to make some work. I love this sandblaster tool cause it costs about $100 and do great job. Well, here is a desert in the garage. I sandblasted these places, a little bit these places, and here, and also here. Now I wanted to clean here. I need to sand in the roof and apply the primer. At this moment I am applying the special liquid rust stop from wood. So today we are going to paint the Nissan, and here we got paint, and also we got clear coat, and it will be crazy, I think, here in the garage. Let's go. So now we are sanding the primer. This is the last layer. Alex is helping us. He is a professional body painter. So, so I clean up all the garage. You can see that this is, my walls are clean. And so today we are going to paint it, this body. I hope Alex will do it. To be honest, it's kind of boring process, so we don't film it a lot. At this moment we are ready to start in. Here we got clear coat. Oh, you know. So the car is ready. Alex is ready. Slag is ready.
Primer is ready.
Primer is ready.
And applied. and singing. Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing? Look at this, it's crazy! This color, I'm so excited of this. This is, I love
Wow, it's great! Wow!
Yeah!
It's not a Millennium Jade! It's not a Midnight Purple! Wow!
Yes, this is original R32 GTR color KH2. The code is KH2, so I love it. Crazy. I think the whole car looks very great in this color. I'm so excited of this. Wow. Oh, where are you? Look at this. Crazy. Well, this is the end of this episode. What do you think, guys, about the color, about the whole episode? Write in comments below, and also don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate it. See you in the next video. Bye.